Hello and welcome to this Western Weather Group video tutorial. I'm meteorologist Kaitawa, and in this video I'll be showing you how to enter SMP burn acreage files on the Western Weather Group website step by step. Let's begin. First, if you are not already, you will need to log in to the Western Weather Group website. On the web browser of your choice, go to app.westernwx.com. Once there, enter your username and password and click Login. Once you've made it to the Smoke Management Program dashboard, click on the Daily Reporting Form button at the top of the page. You'll need to fill out every box on the Daily Reporting Form. First, enter your email address, preferably the one you used to log in. Next, enter the burn date, that is, the day the burn you're reporting occurred. Next, select your county from the drop-down menu. Continue filling out all the acreage information below. If your county does not have one of the zones listed, leave the number as 0. Enter the number of complaints you received for the burn day. Enter any comments if you have any. If you have any additional files that you'd like us to see, please email them to forecaster@westernwx.com. For a speedier process next time, you can check Remember My Email and County Next Time at the bottom of the page. Finally, click on Submit. You've now successfully submitted your form. If you need to submit data for a different date, please return to the daily reporting form by clicking on Submit Another Report. If you need to make some corrections, please redo the form and add some comments regarding the changes. And with that, this concludes this video tutorial. We hope it has been helpful to you, and if you need any further help or have any questions, please don't hesitate to email us at info@westernwx.com or call us at 530-342-1700. Thanks for watching.